Hello, hoes. Don't y'all want some story time about how I left my ex for his daddy while I put this kinky straight wig into this Valentine's Day hairstyle? Okay, boom, and everything that I use is gonna pop up on the screen. So if you need to stop and pause it, and while I'm telling y'all this story, go ahead and do so, okay? Because yeah, this ain't no regular tutorial, right? All right, so boom, what had happened was, right, I was dating this dude that I had met like 2-3 years ago, right? Yeah. So everything was going good, whatever, whatnot. We was talking on the phone every night. He was like, "Oh, I really think I'm falling for you." And then, you know, in about 30 days, we just agreed to meet each other, right? Boom, boom, bam. So, you know, we hanging out, chilling, cool, whatever, whatnot, for about like 2 weeks, y'all. His daddy ended up following me on Instagram, and I told him, I was like, I don't know who this man is that he keeps sending me DMs like every day, calling me beautiful and all that type of stuff. So I was like, y'all, you know, I ain't particularly into older dudes, and when I be talking to a younger guy that's around my age, I'm always telling him, I'm like, I don't know who these older beings be trying to come in my DMs trying to talk to me, right? So he laughing, and then he see the name, he peeped the name, y'all. He like, that's my daddy. I ain't seen my daddy in 5 years, and he all on your page. So that means he must have been stalking your page, because y'all, he had took a picture of us and put it on his story. And I think he said his daddy had liked the story and ended up came and started liking my page, right? Not to mention he had liked about 25 of my fucking posts. It was like real crazy, right? Now, y'all, as I stated earlier, I don't really, older dudes really ain't my thing, right? But if, you know, if they fine, then they fine. Then I might, you know, give them a try. And I'm looking at I get to looking at the page. I'm like, oh my God, cause y'all, listen, his daddy looked about 10 times better than him. And it was like real crazy. He looked like he was the son. The daddy looked like he was the son. The son looked like he was the fucking daddy, okay? So y'all already know my name, Pimp Daddy Shay. Pimp, the only daddy that you ever knew. Hello? Meaning, when I'm dealing with these niggas, you was gonna have to pay for something, baby, okay? You're going to invest in something, or I'm going to get you the fuck up out of here, okay? That's how this is gonna go. All right, so boom. After about 3-4 days, right, we on the phone one night, and he up here bragging about how he gave his homeboy $3,500 for his birthday, right? Boom. So about 2 hours later, I'm up there like, yeah, you know, I need $1,800, right? Boom. Y'all, do y'all know he had the nerve to tell me no? And then he like choked on, so I guess he choked on some water or something. I don't know what that was, but he's like, no. So y'all know what I did? The exact same thing I always do when a nigga tell me no. Hung up on his ass and fucking blocked him, all right? Because how dare you tell me no and then think that I'm still going to deal with you? Boo-boo, it's 4 billion other women in this world. You can kindly go deal with one of them, okay? All right? May the odds forever be in your favor, because they will forever be in mine. Because the minute you tell me no, I'm going to find a nigga that's going to tell me yes. Okay, boom. So, boom, then he get to blowing up my phone from text now numbers and all type of stuff. Calling me on Instagram and Facebook. Leaving me paragraphs talking about I ain't shit. It's something wrong with me. Like, bro, like, move around. You said no to giving me some money, which is cool. That's your prerogative. You could say yes or no to whatever the fuck you feel like it. And now I said no to everything else after then. Okay? Boom. So y'all, he up here blowing me up so much, I decided to go be a damsel in distress on Instagram and Facebook in my stories, right? I started posting all of the messages, boom. I started posting all of the phone calls, boom. And then guess who kindly slides in my DM? His daddy. He like, yeah, baby girl, what's wrong? You too fine to be going through this stuff that you going through. Like, what's up? So I definitely get to telling him what's wrong without hesitation, and telling him like, yeah, I've been dating this guy and he up here acting all crazy and blah, 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 and going off on me and telling me I'm wrong for this because I asked him for this. And then he talking about no. So I said, no, I don't want to deal with you no more. Girl, whole time acting like I don't know that this is his son that I was just talking to. Like, bitch, I knew. Hello. But I'm going to pretend like I didn't know. Oh, now, and mind you, y'all, this all happened 2 weeks before Valentine's Day this year, right? Not this year, but you know, that current year that I was talking to that nigga. But yeah, back to the story. So me and the daddy end up on the phone. We exchanged numbers and whatever, whatnot. We end up being on the phone for about 2 hours. So, you know, I'm up here boo-hoo crying and telling him what was going on. And I'm like, he don't value me and he don't appreciate me. So the daddy was like, I'll never treat you like that. What you need? I'll send it to you right now. And baby, he ain't sent no Cash App. He sent $2,200 Zelle. I asked the son for $1,800 and the daddy gave me $2,200. Y'all, then not only that, he paid for my hair, my nails, my outfit, and everything on top of that $2,200. And then we dated for another 13 months after that Valentine's Day until I found out that he was still married to homeboy bald-headed ass mama. Moral of the story, if he don't want to act right and do what you want him to do, go to his daddy. Okay? Period.